How to reset YouTube recommendations. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application, then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner, then go to settings. After that, go to your data in YouTube and then delete the data like your web and app activity. After that, go back and then go to manage all history. Simply clear all your history. Now, another step, go back and then tap and hold the YouTube application. Go to its app info, then go to its storage section, tap on clear cache, and your recommendation will be reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.